Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I have my wild side beard going. That's because I'm going to meet with my friend. We're gonna go and check out this mountain trail. Bunch of food packed, peanut butter and jelly, and some grapes. So I haven't had a chance to really go hiking at all this summer. I've been working at the hospital the whole time, and now I've just started school again. So yeah, I've been crazy busy, and this is gonna be such a great relief. So yeah, I have my DSLR camera with me. I'm gonna be shooting with that, so hopefully this place is as nice as Google has been displaying it, and hopefully I'll get some nice shots for you guys. So let's check this place out. Finally heading home. Beautiful places. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. By the way, these shoes that I reviewed, the Ultra shoes, they're great running shoes, but today I realized that they are toe killers. They are the worst for hiking. Don't get them for hiking. Don't wear them to hikes. If you have them, trust me, you don't want to wear these out hiking. Definitely gonna look into a trail shoe. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the scenery. I know I did. I plan on doing more hikes in the future, but it's up to you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to record my hikes and adventures. Do you guys like this type of thing, or do you guys just like the regular nutrition and vegan related topics? Anyway, I'm gonna go carb up now. You guys have a lovely night, and we'll see you in the next video.